So guys, everyone creating YouTube channel. So people are worried about that. Sir, I'm making video, I'm not getting views, I'm not getting earnings. So what are the things we are making a lot of mistakes? The first of all thing is called if you make any video, first of all, we in the YouTube channel, the main option will be called the people using for two toolbars. First one is called vidIQ toolbar. Is one of the browser extension. They supporting for YouTube keywords is the first option. Second will be we can use for TubeMate extension. People using for particular users for the hosting for keyword suggestion purpose. They give only 50% will be the suggestion for keywords, but they give the particular SEO rank. Any video, what are the keyword they use? Suppose anybody we can see this lot of videos will be posting for in this option. People getting for a lot of views. That is a major thing is called thumbnail effect. You make thumbnail for more professional way or nothing that. The people can understanding ways. So nowadays a lot of Telugu guys are making for a lot of things are there. So in this coming to, there 1 year ago they uploading video something in the person will be here in this. So in this one, first of all, we can check this one. This all score will be given by the vidIQ toolbar. vidIQ toolbar, first of all, we have to set up the account will be vidIQ.com. vidIQ.com. In this, we have to sign up your account. After install extension and login for your particular extension will be here. So my login will be done. So that the reason they're showing your particular score. Score will not a matter, but major thing is called you have to promotion ways the more things. So how is the starting for promotions? First of all, I'm starting in the YouTube channel uploading video. When uploading video time, the compulsory first format is there given by the option call is we can use unlisted mode. Which one? Unlisted mode. That is purpose we have using for channel setting in this upload default. In this, the all option will be there. Visibility always selecting for unlisted. They give complete for in this three option. Public, just scroll down. Public, private and unlisted. We always uploading video will be unlisted mode. Already I'm selected here. So that is I'm selecting for unlist mode option. Now click for upload the videos. And major thing is called you are uploading for healthy videos or non-healthy videos, anything, they're not a big task. But your way of content is more important to people getting for views and subscribers. A lot of people worry about the subscriber also. The worry is the main reason is called your content. Your main thing reason is called content. Guys, everyone know, sir, I already see my tips, my thumbnail, everything I'm done. So still I not get the views. The content already exists. The same time you can prepare as well. No use. Create the content, your own things, you can effort them. So what is that? There's a more important. Your title and thumbnail is more powerful in this option. So my channel completely we can making for the education purpose about the digital marketing. I only give the tips. The people will be how we can approaching for the particular networks in this. And YouTube completely be dependent by the two things. One is AdSense, second will be MCN, multiple channel network. So who will be get MCN? There's a lot of big task for everyone. So everyone using for AdSense. So AdSense time, you have to follow the lot of policies. That music and content, everything will be don't use the copyright option. In this purpose, careful to we can do the particular things. And so they give only for using title will be 60 is a better character as a vidIQ toolbar. But as your requirement, you can add your particular option. And this, don't forget, before set up your YouTube account, compulsory you have to install by the vidIQ toolbar. When upload time, don't checking any particular scores. Here I'm uploading thumbnail, and people worry about thumbnail also. That is purpose, no worry about that. No need ready for Photoshop, CorelDRAW, anything not required. There's only for Canva also. If you're making for Telugu thumbnail also. If you're making for Telugu thumbnail also. Here one more option will be there. Go to Google. Here will be search for Google input tool. In this tool will be help. What are the, you can typing a language. If you want Telugu required, they will be converted into Telugu. YouTube. Which one is needed for earnings? So we can go for, in this option will be here. So which option will be in this? We can use a particular, but basically I don't know Telugu for fluently. So that is a complete, we can use this option will be here. These are using for Google input tool option. Now in this you can making for thumbnail will be here. Thumbnail will be make, and very important secret I'll tell you. When uploading thumbnail and your title of the video, both are same, is a compulsory important. See here, when uploading for your thumbnail and your video title, both are same, compulsory important. And you can add your playlist will be here. That is a playlist is increasing for your more views. Increasing for more views. I'm adding keyword here. Next, the major important thing is called recording date. When you're publishing this video, you're compulsory providing for recording date. You have to promote any specific locations. Add your location will be here. All India, global wise, nothing is there. Empty will be given. That is a global option. This much of information we can follow to upload the videos. And AdSense users in the my channel wise, AdSense users little bit option will be different for the Google AdSense to YouTube users in this. And add your playlist. How many playlists you can add? Increase the more views. When people will be search your keyword in go YouTube search, first of all they're showing for keyword search value out of 100, they're showing for 43 search value. The people will be showing in every option will be here, red, yellow, and in these options. This is a particular company will be using your in the particular options. So these are the particular levels. Suppose I'm remove this option, but suppose I'm telling for they showing for particular audience 42. So these are the particular option will given by the in the things. So the search will be given by the VidIQ toolbar option. Now they give by every 16 how many people watching 48 hours 7 days, and in the particular previous 7 days how many people watching, they give the complete report will be given the VidIQ toolbar. This will be complete for the exact report. Now in this I am adding for playlist. You can add a relevant who will be coming to the first position. We can using, suppose you are not using Hindi, don't select the Hindi option. Relevant title we can use on the playlist option. You're getting for more traffic for your YouTube channel. When people will be searching on your keyword, who will be coming to first position, they can. So I'm all uploading for 3 months back the relevant video. So they am showing for third place on the YouTube search. Same like you have to showing for your particular ad campaign in the keyword we can use in the particular playlist option. So I'm adding for keywords on playlist. Copy. Guys, don't ask this paste will be there, or you can change your own also will be supported by in this playlist option. So everything will be need by the patience are more important when you promote your particular channel videos. That is an increase for earnings also. Give me a second, I'm adding for playlist. So I'm adding playlist will be here. Done. So only pending for keywords. Next. This will be compulsory important, will be content ID. The content ID policy will be more important to increase your earnings also. If anybody copy your video, within seconds you will be strike for the third party persons. So that is why you can enable the content ID option. It's automatically enabled by the my YouTube channel option. This channel will applicable for content ID. There's a lot of people asking this question. Depend on channel, the option will enable by the users. Next option. Here we can give option will be ads. Before ad, this is the complete for monetization ads will be here in this before video, video duration and after video option. In this here the mid-roll purpose, any video for more than 10 minutes is there. So this is compulsory main important. Place automatic ads will be given, or we can give by the any particular second you can video play for. This option will be given by the when you are video uploading for more than 10 minutes video. That is nothing but people watching based on your ad will be shown to customer. You increase earning for your particular option. Don't give them more than 10, 15. People will be not watching for your video completely. Why? Because more ad will show into the particular customer. This I'm showing purpose I'm creating for particular 8 ads. So in between when your ad will be given here, so which is not required, we can delete it here. So this is all your particular second wise we're creating for your particular option. So here. So when your uploading will be not done in this particular wise, you can uploading for your ads will be given. Total time give by 6. Otherwise, the time will be given in your particular option. Now in this, click for continue. Two things. When enable mid-roll option, when your video uploading for more than 10 minutes video, place automatically ad break selecting for particular second wise. Continue. After that, next. This is a compulsory important ad suitability. If you are inappropriate language, adult content, violence, harmful, drug related, hateful, fair whims, and sensitive issues, this all will be have to given. None of the above, click for none of the above option. Next, import from in the end screen. We can upload it for latest video or relevant video also you can add in the particular option. So I'm selecting for inappropriate or related videos. Click for in this add screen for option is compulsory. We can most add for the playlist. Why? Because playlist is more videos are there. They will be promoting for more videos on the particular option. Relevant playlist also more important, increasing for your particular video earning purpose. So what are the option will be given? Upload it and your particular video will be promoted. We can here in the card option one more benefit is there, that is called we have to increasing for other YouTube channel earnings also, that is called link with your channel option. Here one more will be benefit is called you can promote your website link also. So save, everything done, final uploading for unlisted. So we have to promoting method of YouTube. This parameter compulsory we can follow. Before visibility option, we have to check for unlisted. Everyone is safe for video will unlisted more. Why? The purpose of automatically creating for in this they are give by the subtitle option. In this purpose, people will uploading for any video will be unlisted more option. After that, we have to some links are there. The link will be supporting for automatic anchor and backlink purpose. When any upload, they give checking for monetization checking, ads pending. Suppose this video is not suitable ads, they give the yellow mark. Suitable, they give the green mark. The two things are very important. The checking time will be less than 20 minutes time. So they have to wait for the particular time. I give the links, which links will be promoting for you to get backlink purpose. After run this, unlisted, edit, check your SEO score will be more important. Prestige one, they are showing right now 50. You have to showing for more updating date will be compulsory important. And the right side they're showing you a particular score. Now I'll give the score will be best score will be 38 will be best score option. Sometimes you give the this much of error, no worry about that. You can once click for refresh, you will be fix this problem here. And once done the option, these are the all website link you can generate in for your YouTube traffics. These all link I'm given by the in my particular website into Rakesh Tech Solution. If any further need will be required, just go to blog option. You can this. or even you can chat with them and report your particular channel option. Every information will give by in the channel option will be here. In this, go with the blocks and check with your particular options of websites. Now in this, so I'm writing for keywords. So I'm give by this score will be out of 50 will be 42.4 will be given here. Now click for save. Now once this one will done, here two option will be there. One will be schedule option will be there and publish with the premiere. Publish with Insta Premiere theme, but the video with the live we can watching for YouTube with the live chat purpose also. We can using for live chat purpose. So in this one, which is a better one, we can go with is a public, set instant, premiere, click for done. Now click for save option. In this, after unlisted particular seconds, when adding for your particular tags, after you can go with the option will be here. What are the checklist you had compulsory fulfill with the option? At least one card, end the screen, close the caption automatically added by the manual option purpose, monetization enable, add playlist, public will be done, share on Twitter, Facebook, and share at least like, reply to recent comment. When people will be comment on your particular video, we can give the particular reply also. Just we can give this option. Here will be use. Finally, the video will be going to a premiere option that we can showing for premiere time. We have to simple we can do option will be called when the people running for premium time. We have instruction will be given by the copy your title, go to your community tab option. We have to announce your premiere will be start on the particular video. The people will be watch on the particular video where in the streaming option. Select the streaming. Along with we have asking for your particular Asta will be used in the particular purpose. After uploading video, the major thing is called in the video below option. We can sharing for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. These all option will be very important. The major importance called nimtools.com. This is a website will be generating for your YouTube backlinks. This will be compulsory we can use. So in this purpose, no need to open your website. Right click, share to link will be here, and copy the link. I'm not a robot. Click for submit. These are all generating for automatic backlinks, and this will be not spam for your particular YouTube channel purpose. In this purpose, the website will be here. In this website will be using this automated backlink purpose. This file link will be given automated backlinks. Remaining all will be manual backlinks. Remain all will be manual backlinks. So guys, this all website will be given by the, we have to check and do it by the myself. Everything will be checked and we can do it. When uploading, the view will be increasing for this. In this using for most of the people using for Pinterest, Flickr, Tumblr. Recently, a lot of people facing for Reddit website will be facing a lot of problems. Don't use any option. Most of the website will be, these are the complete website we will use to increase the YouTube subscriber views. Subscriber depend on your content, but view will be increasing based on your content will be here. The complete important for the SEO, search engine optimization. In the main thing is called to generating for referral traffic. This is more affected by the particular users. Second thing is called, we can go to option will be Tumblr. Just I'm showing for some other website. This all will be here in this cancel video. Here will be from web, copy the URL. The show will be in the video option. Here adding for your particular tag will be in this option. How many tags you can need it, add your tags will be here. This tags will be helped by the can generating for keywords. Post and give certain keywords. After submission keywords, you have any other keywords are required, click for edit. And one thing I'm missing in this to the my channel name. Save. This will be using for particular video option will be manual backlinks and automated backlinks. This will be automated. This will be manual. These all will be not generating fake. If you have trust purpose, click one link. You know about the understanding. The some application will be error here. This will be taking time to the activate. Some other website will be approved by your link will be in the particular backlink will be here. So in this, some video will be playing for directly on the particular website will be here. See this in this. Next is the backlinks. In third-party website, you can promote your videos on the particular channel option. This is all nothing but your backlinks on the particular YouTube views increasing purpose. Some website will be taking for least time. Some website will taking for fast time to index your websites on the particular YouTube channel videos. Compulsory major important is called Pinterest, that you can upload your video on the particular option and post the things, and we can sharing for particular platforms. Pinterest is more important. We can install this toolbar, select here option, auto image will be select here. In this selecting for your particular option, they're supporting for up to 50 keywords. How many keywords? Up to 50. Selecting board, what are the keyword will be here. So a pin is not created, that is exceeding for 50 characters. This is a compulsory important key point on the particular option. The board will be creating for less than 50 characters option. So we have to check for notepad option. So you can go with the option. This also will be increased more. So 50 characters is more important here. Create. Done. Don't exceed by more than 50 character option. These all will be compulsory mandatory for to increase the view purpose. So this is a method we can use. After publishing this video, edit and change your channel tags. So when you are running for premium time, don't change your channel keywords. So now will be previous when apply unlisted time, they're showing 50 score. After publishing this video, they're showing for 100 score. Now will be my score will be 64.4 out of 100. This is the best score you can maintain. We can go best score will be more than 66. When your green mark is there, your perfect score added by your particular YouTube option. This will be give the particular keywords. You can use this keyword and increase your traffic on this YouTube channel traffic. Use the two toolbars, vidIQ toolbar and TubeMate. Which is the most important? There is a vidIQ toolbar option. Use it, increase the views and earnings on the particular option. In the which channel getting for more, there is a most of the people getting for any videos. The required based on only for content is most increase the subscribers and increase the view option. Follow the constant and increase the views and subscriber in a particular YouTube channel option. If any further doubts, please ask me. Any link will be needed about the YouTube backlink purpose, how to make a videos. Please ask me. I definitely will be support on a particular option.